And welcome back. I want to do a follow-up video now that we have the system back online. The previous video you saw the carnage and that we replaced that shunt that you see there. And I'll get some light in here. There we go. That should make it a little bit better to see, hopefully. We replaced that shunt there, and we're still waiting on the control board and the replacement controller, but I actually had a spare Flex Max 80 from back when we used to run a 12-volt system and needed many more charge controllers than we do. So I went ahead and put the replacement charge controller I had in stock on the wall, and the one Outback will send us will go back on the shelf as a spare unit. But wanted to do a follow-up here and show you that again, that control board they were going to replace in there was just due to a relay chattering issue. It wasn't the cause of that. Again, the cause of that one was that top connection into that main bus bar just getting loose or not being torqued down correctly. Getting loose over time, in my theory, creating a high resistance connection, just getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. But right now, I want to get an amp meter on here. I'm going to show you the current amp draw. So we got our amp meter here. Let's zero this out. And show you that we're pulling 90 amps into this inverter currently. 90, 91, 92. And that is running the whole house, or 90% of the house AC and the garage AC, because I went ahead and just turned it on. And we're more than capable with our current solar panels outside of generating this and then some. But I wanted to show you that we're now pulling about 92, 93 amps through that shunt. And get out a temp gun here. There we go. And show you that that shunt is now only running about 80, 81 degrees. Much better than what it would have been running in order to cause the carnage and the blackening of that bus bar and everything that you saw there. So we're going to continue to keep an eyeball on this, and of course, as you know, that's a 500 amp rated shunt. We're only pushing about 92, 93 amps through it currently, so that's well below its rated maximum. So just to let you know, it wasn't an issue and the cooling fan's kicking on in the inverter, so pardon the excess noise. But just to let you know that the previous amp shunt that was in here was 500 amps, so it wasn't an issue with the shunt itself. Again, it's going to be an issue with what that top connection was being loose, again being a high resistance connection and generating heat. So I said it before and I'll say it again: double, triple, quadruple check your connections, and on a periodic basis come in, check all your connections and make sure everything's remaining tight. So just to show you that again, we zero out the amp clamp. You can see we're down to about 89 amps, 89, 90 amps still, and we're only right about, let's check our temperature again. 81, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's go ahead and put that in Celsius in case anybody's wondering. 27, 28 degrees Celsius. And that's it for this update. And thank you much.